Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so this is my final video on my shopping haul, and as I explained in previous videos that I went to Restaurant Depot. Long story short, I spent $104 and some change, and I got some spare ribs, chicken, and spare ribs, chicken, haddock fish, chocolate wafers, and mangoes. And so I showed you on the previous video the fish, which is on one video, the haddock fish, and how many pieces $38 gave me. And then I showed you how much spare ribs that I got out of 2 slabs, which would equal out to 12 pieces, or 3 meals for a family of 4. Now I'm going to show you, this is my receipt for the chicken. Restaurant Depot. I got 40 pounds right there of chicken legs, and I paid $21.20. Okay? Okay, so now let's break this down and see how many pieces of chicken legs, that's the thigh with the drumstick connected, we're gonna get for the $21.20 for 40 pounds. Now you alone can just imagine that. How much, let's see, how much would a pound cost? We have 40 pounds, right? Let's see. So I'm going to divide $21.20 divided by 40, which would give me how much it would cost per pound. So a pound of chicken legs cost me 53 cents a pound. 53 cents. Now you think you can get a pound of chicken at the grocery store for 53 cents? I don't think so. So the idea is stop shopping at just your favorite grocery store. Now start looking at the circulars on the internet, or call in the store, or if you're the type that you just want to go see, go see. Okay, but shop around and buy in bulk. The 40 pounds came in bulk. So believe it or not, your grocery store have chicken in bulk. You just have to ask. They get it back there. That's how they broke it down into packages. Okay, and you're going to pay a cheaper price by bulk. And if you don't pay a cheaper price by bulk, you're in the wrong store. So there's other stores like Sam's, BJ's, Costco's. Sometimes you have a smaller butcher shop. Just start shopping around, because at any point you have to beat the prices out there. They got the prices jacked up 3 times the amount, and you got to make it your business, your game, to beat them at their own game. Okay? Alright, so let's break down the chicken legs. Thanks. Okay. Here's our chicken legs. So let's see how many legs we're going to get in a 40-pound package. I have a bowl here. 1, 2, oh, they're giant. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, Now I got to get another container. Give me a minute. Okay. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and a half. Okay, and on the box it did say Jimbo, but I didn't know what Jimbo meant until I seen these. This is clearly Jimbo. Look at the size of that. Now you think one person could eat this whole thigh? That's a lot, right? But maybe they can. Okay, so what did I say, 23? Somewhere around there. Now that's a lot. A lot. At, what was it, 58 cents? 53 cents each. Look at this. Unbelievable. Okay, so let me start processing what I'm going to do with the chicken. So clearly you can see that 2 of these would feed a family of 4 all day long. Look how big the drumstick is, and look how big the thigh is. You can clearly see you can cut that in half and have 2 people eat off this one leg and 2 off of this one leg. So you can see what I'm talking about, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off the drumstick of one of these to show you. You just cut it right down. When you see the gristle, go around the gristle until you can cut straight through. Look how big that drumstick is. Pretty big, right? Look how big this thigh is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me do this. I'm gonna cut some in half with the drumstick and separate the drumstick from the thigh, and see how we can get a variety of this same chicken. So some packages will be the thigh, and some packages will be the drumstick, and some packages will be the whole leg. Okay? Okay, so I showed you how to cut it just now. You're going to cut right at the joint, right here at the joint. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Just cut down at the joint. If you feel the gristle, go around the gristle until you get it into 2 pieces, okay? Alright, so I'm going to do that to some of them, and I'm going to put them in separate containers so that we can see how we can stretch this meal, and I'll be right back. Just had to wash my hands. Okay guys, I'm gonna move the camera so you can get a good picture of the counter. Look at that. So we have 6 whole chicken legs. I have 17 thighs and 18 drumsticks. Total of 41 pieces. Can you imagine that? 41 pieces. Remember, our price we broke down to was it 53 cents a piece? So let me just do it based on the method that I have here, because some of the legs, 6 of the legs I left whole. So I have a total here of 41. So let's divide $21.20 divided by 41. Okay, that takes it up to 51 cents a piece. 51 cents for a piece of chicken. Wrap your head around that. Okay, so if you're feeding a family of 4 times 4, that would be $2.06 a meal. Oh my goodness. You can't buy that at the grocery store like that. Gotta buy in bulk. If you can't afford the whole thing yourself, or you have no room for all of it, you're gonna get together with a friend or family member and y'all split this up. $10 each, you can have 20 pounds each. If it's 3 of you, it's less than $10. So you get my idea. They gotta go to the grocery store anyway, and they're gonna buy chicken anyway. So why not get together and do this? This is how you're gonna beat the price, paying cheaper than you paid before, with the even though the prices are triple. Okay? Okay. So let me conclude. I'm not going to give a word of the day, because this is all, the shopping haul is all a word of the day. What a word, what a word, what a word on how you can save your money. Okay, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye. Thumbs up.